Parrot 911. Parrot 911, what is your emergency? Parrot 911, what is your emergency? Parrot 911. Parrot 911, what is your emergency? Parrot 911, what is your emergency? I hate this meme. The last thing you see before getting a free piercing. But I didn't ask for one. Birds are returning to the skate parks. Nature is healing. This is actually where they were born. They're just really good at it. Birds with threatening auras. Each year in the United States, more than 8,000 parrots are convicted of murder. Wait, what? The first guy to hear a parrot speak. What? They must be sent by an angel. My favorite color is blood. Dude, what the frick? The final bird boss that's screaming outside your window at 4 a.m. Hey, at least it's a big target. Doesn't he have cold? Give him a jacket. Me. Do you want the good or bad news first? Wife. Bad? Me. Our duck is gonna need a bigger castle. Wife. We don't have a duck. Me. About that. Oh, hey, at least that's the good news. When your mom, who has no business cutting hair, cuts your hair. I did not ask you to. Step 1. Acquire a chicken. Hulk arms for chicken 3D print. This rocks. Oh, you're looking for your bowling ball? Sorry, bro, I don't know where it could be. Rich women on their way to greet the police after their husband has been murdered. Hey, what's up? Hi. Anyway, I'm so sad right now. Burb knows she is not allowed in the kitchen, but Burb not in the kitchen. This is Vadim. He kills mice to serve his motherland. Oh my goodness, I'm surprised when my cat kills a mouse, let alone a frickin' bird. I heard you don't like geese. Please, tell me more. I hate that they have teeth, man. Police apprehend penguins who keep sneaking into sushi restaurants. What show is that from? That's adorable. That mini heart attack you have when the barber F's your life up. How'd you give me a mohawk? I literally only had feathers. Gets called hot once. I am the embodiment of perfection. Handmade watermelon table with duck feet? Well, I mean, that explains the handmade part. Sorry, seat's taken, bub. Thinking. He is balanced. Namaste, Burb. I live in constant fear. I can't freaking read. Eat me. What if chickens had front-facing eyes? That would mean they were predators, which is what T-Rexes were, I think. How comfortable do you feel around others? Me. I'm not even ugly and I still feel like the ugly duckling man. Peace was never an option. I think you chose not to even let it be. Mongoose. Goose, man. If you're looking for something to brighten your day, here's a tiny bird that got little cardboard shoes to help straighten its toes. Birkenstocks. My dad sent me a picture this morning and said, it finally happened! Oh my goodness, it's the thing in the sign. When you're too tired for work, but you've still gotta put your happy face on before you walk in. You just realized that all ducks are actually wearing masks. When someone is nicer to you than usual, suspicion increase. The love of your life will appear in front of you unexpectedly. Love of my life, please don't eat my fortune cookie. Country roads, take me home to a place where I bite toes. West Virginia! My bird seems sad. I don't know what his freaking problem is. I mean, I also never owned a bird, so I'm wondering why this thing is in my house. I knew these birds were up to something. Yo, they stole that from my house! What kind of agreement do you think these feathery fricks came to? Bird logic. Male. Female. The males look so gay, and yet they want the females more than anything. The odds of being murdered in your own home by psychopathic waterfowl are low, but never zero. Oh, he is done being called the ugly duckling. 6 a.m. is a great time to scream. Change my mind. Every time I visit this owl, it gives me this face. When your program is a complete mess, but it does its job. I thought that only the bag of chips was knitted, so I was like, haha, freaking idiot bird, get owned. And then I saw that the bird was also knitted as well, and then I realized I was the freaking idiot bird getting owned. Dang man, that's rough. What the heck? Chicken. Chicken.zip. Oh crap, I gotta unlock this. My bird went missing in my house for over an hour, and then I noticed something peculiar behind my bottle. Not even in the bottle, just behind it. That bird was hiding. I got new shoes! Oh shoot, I didn't realize he was actually a burb. Front-facing egrets make me lose control of everything. It's just a little guy, like what the heck? Me. My ducks aren't in a row. In fact, I don't even know where my ducks are right now. My ducks. The ducks are getting arrested, but at least they'll be in a row for jail roll call. Master Chicken gives no frick. Aren't they making an anime about like some chicken fighter? Huh? Nah. Huh? Yeah. If Earth was 10 feet closer to the sun, we'd all burn up. Birds. Yeah, sure, bro. An extinct bird just evolved itself back into existence. Respawn. Safety Burb here to keep you safe. Thank you, Safety Burb. I respect you. Everyone, don't do that. Me. That. What's up, you little bee? I heard you was trying to catch 'em all. Oh, you're not catching this Pokemon, I'll tell you that much. Birds when their kids are old enough. If you fly, you fly. If you die, you die. Me when a fat bird shows up outside my window. You ever get those days where you just feel like the Sims 4 burbs? He has entered his 3rd evolution. Oh crap, he's got arms and wings. The posture of a man. He wears a t-shirt. Whenever I'm having a bad day, I just Google birds behind glasses of water and it helps. Any animal for that matter, they're so cute. He peck, he wreck, but most importantly, he dress fine as heck. If only his behavior were the same. Geese not wanted. Let him in. That sign is rude and evil. Pickpocket 100. What is actually going on inside of every duck you see? Oh, I thought it was just the birds that were government drones. Them too? The last thing a piece of bread sees. Goodbye. I just wish someone loved me as much as this cat loves strawberries. Bro, get your eyes checked. How it feels to give a nervous and slightly stuttery response to a question on a subject I am disgustingly educated in. Okay, those glasses are killing it though. Keep slaying. This is your badness level. It's unusually high for someone your size. Hey, Lilo and Stitch reference. Love that. Bird jumped on the keyboard. You ho? Where are your manners? You are in the wrong neighborhood, buddy. When when you're feeling a little fragile and all your wonderful friends say, it's okay, here are some memes. I hope that I can be that wonderful friend for you guys every day, or at least when I can. It has been 0 days since I bit someone. I'll freaking do it again. Those numbers do not scare him, I'm telling you that much. You know what numbers do scare me? The fact that we're almost at 500,000 subscribers. We just hit 450 today. Anyway guys, subscribe to make it bigger, I guess, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.